Jose, hey, how you doing, man? Hey, my name's Joe. I work with Metro Design, and today I'm going to show things you can do to boost your online presence, boost your online ranking on Google, and get you some of those leads you're missing out on, so we can build out this awesome business that you have. Right? So the three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Right? Those are the three things that Google pays attention to the most. That's what we pay attention to the most. So first, content. That's how many words are on your web. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. On your back pages, between 500 to 700 words. Right? They also want you to have a lot of back pages. Right? So home, services, contact us, photo gallery, reviews, whatever we can throw on there, right? Whatever we can throw on to make it bigger. But for the words, you're sitting at about, what was it? A little over 100 words on your home page, I believe. So definitely need some work there, right? We're trying to get that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal, right? So we definitely need some work. We also want to keep in mind keywords that people are searching for. That's what's going to help you rank, right? So there's different keywords. Some have higher volumes than higher search volumes than others, and some you can rank for easier. So we'll do that research for you, put those keywords in there for you, and reach that goal that we like to see. As far as your back page, you only have one back page for your services. It would be awesome if we can make each of these its own back page, right? Each of these its own back page, making your website bigger, giving it more content, giving it more keywords. That's going to boost you in ranking for sure, and you're going to beat your competition that way. Right now, this one, I think you were at, right? And then on your home page, you were sitting at a little over 300. So definitely need some more words on your website. This is your competition. This is number one. Okay? See how all his services are their own page? In each of these, he's sitting at 1,000. So for you to outrank him, you're going to have to need all these pages, and then some, right? And you're also on his service pages, you're going to need like 1,200 to 1,500 words on your back pages. Okay? Right, it's huge. Okay? So he has more content on his homepage as well, which is easy to get, right? Just throw those words on there, throw those keywords on there, and you're on the right track. Next is going to be citations. Citations are how many websites have your business name, address, and phone number on them. The more you have, it's going to be easier for you to rank in the local map listings. So this guy, 26. So you're going to need double that, right? You can come in here and get 26, easy. Just click on this, put your website, put your information in there, get 26. We're not trying to be even with them. We're trying to outrank them in every area, right? We're trying to outperform them in every area. So it makes it a lot easier for us to rank and a lot quicker. Right, so we come in here, we'll double, even triple this sometimes, making it a lot harder once they realize they're not on top anymore, which they will. So once they realize that, it's going to be harder for them to go out there, hire an expert to catch back up to us, right? Because we already know where they're at. We double it, and then we keep an eye on it to make sure nobody sneaks up on you. That citation's pretty short, to the point. Next. Backlinks. Okay, so backlinks is what's going to push power to your website. The more you have, good. The better quality, even better, right? That's the thing to keep in mind with backlinks. You want quality over quantity every time. You can go out there and get 20 bad backlinks. I go out there and get 10 good quality backlinks, and my website's going to outrank you every day. So that's the thing we keep in mind when we're hunting for these backlinks. Backlinks are going to be right here, 167. And this is how many websites have a backlink going to his website. Okay. This is how many organic keywords he's ranking for on his website. And this is his traffic per month. Okay, that's huge. Alright. We can definitely get you here. So that's about it for backlinks, really. I could talk about backlinks all day, but I like to keep these videos short and simple. So, I hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to us through Facebook, or you can call or text anytime, 515-468-3039. Thanks.